this is how we jive from Ask Communication. Yeah, I'm again with another unboxing. You can see a big box in front of me. I have something simple, not very special, but could be very special. A kitchen sink for my kitchen that I'm preparing now at the moment. This is a kitchen sink. Price could be this one. I paid from 70 to 80 euro. That could be $90. Let me show you the pack a little bit. Delinia, could be French, could be Spanish. Here we see 95 Delinia, how it is. You can see it's double sink together, one for wash, another for dry the plates, forks and other stuff. You see made in Portugal. Okay, this is from Portugal then. I bought here in Spain. Now without any further ado, I'm gonna cut the pack and I'm gonna show you how it is. I'm using my knife, you can see here. Best part of it, you can see, is coming with all type of pipes. Here, a set of all accessories. You see, all the pipes is necessary. Put this one, very lovely. I'll not go to one all that, but you see all type of pipe is available, and also I have screws that to tight this one and few more stops. Okay, very good. And the sink here, I will take this off the bag. Here is the sink, is a big one, is double, you can see. We have one hole for tap at the middle. You see how it is. One paper for more information. And some hole this side, the top, this side nothing. This is for Leroy Merlin. One store from here in Spain. It's a French store. Here we are, guys. You see how it looks. The basin in my kitchen. Let's go to closer to show you how it looks exactly in real life situation. And the pipes were difficult to put on, but finally I succeeded. We go down, it's a low light situation, can't see properly, but here you can see the pipes, how I assemble, more or less to give you idea how they are connected between one to another. And see, the doors are closing, so it looks very lovely and very elegant. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care till then. Bye bye.